Okay, so I wanted to do a really quick video on something pretty cool that I've just received. So here it is. This is a leaked Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus case for the upcoming, Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, which is actually going to be announced this Sunday. So I wanted to do some tests. I want to see how this fits the S8 Plus, how it fits on this Samsung Galaxy S9 clone that I've received. I've done a video on this a while ago. I'll definitely check out this video here. But yeah, grab some popcorn. Let's take a look. Okay, so first things first, this is not a case for the Samsung Galaxy S9, but actually for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. You can tell this by the dual camera module cutout on the back of the actual case. Also, this is not a case that was manufactured by Samsung, so this is a third-party case made by an unknown case manufacturer. The ones that Samsung will be selling alongside the S9 have also been leaked in a few images, but I don't really have any of those to actually show you in this video. But yeah, those have actually been leaked in a few other images. Okay, so going back to the case, this one is made out of silicone, and aside from this massive cutout on the back, which is actually for the dual camera module, as well as the fingerprint reader, which is now in the middle of the phone, the heart rate monitor, and also the flash. So this cutout is just massive. We also get another cutout on the bottom for the headphone jack, as well as a cutout for the USB Type-C port, and another one for the actual speaker. Now, interesting enough, we don't get any cutouts on the top, which means that those leaked dual stereo speakers tuned by AKG that we've seen on the regular S9 box leak, they're not actually on the bottom or the top, bottom and top, but instead on the bottom and on the front. So most likely with the S9, Samsung will be turning the earpiece into an actual speaker, similar to what Apple has been doing since the iPhone 7. And honestly, as long as the sound quality is improved, I'm okay with that, because the sound quality on the S8 and the S7 and the Note 8 and the Note 7, pretty much all the previous Samsung phones has been really bad. I've done a speaker comparison video a while ago, so if you want to know more about how the speaker quality compares between multiple smartphones, multiple popular smartphones, definitely check out this video. But yeah, it wasn't great. Okay, so going back to the case now, I really want to see how this one fits on my S8 Plus, because as you might know, the S8 and the Samsung Galaxy S9, they actually have some very slightly different dimensions. So for example, the S9 Plus, this one is 0.4mm thicker than the S8 Plus, but actually 2mm shorter than the S8 Plus because of those thinner top and bottom bezels, and about 0.4mm wider. And it seems that the S8 Plus kind of fits in this case. It's a bit difficult to fit properly since the S9 case is a bit shorter, as the S9 Plus itself is also shorter. But yeah, other than that, I don't really seem to have any major issues with the thickness of the overall case, which is quite interesting. And in the end, overall, when it comes to this case, even though it's not a perfect fit, I would say that it kind of works. But yeah, keep in mind that this is a silicone case, not a plastic case, so it will stretch over time. But so far, it seems that the S9 Plus especially won't be that much different from the S8 Plus when it comes to the actual dimensions. Okay, so I have this Samsung Galaxy S9 working clone here, on which I've actually done a video on, unboxing my first impressions a few days ago. It's quite an interesting clone actually, based on the actual dimensions of the S9 Plus. It does work, so definitely check out my full video on this clone if you want to know more about it. But let's see how this clone actually fits inside this case. And yeah, I mean, it seems to fit almost perfect, almost. I think this clone is far too thick for the case, but other than that, when it comes to the width and the height, it actually fits pretty well. Okay, so will your old S8 cases work with the S9? Well, some silicone cases and maybe even some leather cases that have been stretched out and used for a while, they might work. But if you have some more rigid cases, such as plastic cases, they won't work, unfortunately. Okay, so in the end, I just wanted to make a really quick video with this Samsung Galaxy S9 case. Probably the shortest video I've made in, I don't know, the past 3 years or so. But yeah, definitely check out my full leaks and rumors on the Samsung Galaxy S9 if you want to know more, if you want to know pretty much everything in terms of the Samsung Galaxy S9, everything we're expecting to see. And this is my most detailed video on the Samsung Galaxy S9, covering everything from the display, design, specs, special features, price, battery storage. Everything you need to know is covered in this video. But yeah, if you want to see more Samsung Galaxy S9 content, I'll have way more videos coming the next few days, so definitely subscribe if you want to see that, and also enable notifications so that you get notified as soon as a brand new video comes out. So yeah, don't forget to tap that bell. And other than that, let me know in the comments what do you guys think of the Samsung Galaxy S9 overall. Do you think it's a big update from the S9, or do you think it's more of like an S8s and it's not really worth upgrading? Let me know in the comments. And if you this video, like if you enjoyed it, let me know. I'm Daniel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Zen of Tech, signing out. Cheers.